Hi there! Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to create categories in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right into it. In the world of QuickBooks Online, categories play a crucial role. They're like the spine of your financial organization, helping you manage and organize your transactions efficiently. Whether you are sorting expenses, tracking revenue, or managing assets, having the right categories in place can significantly enhance your financial reporting. This, in turn, gives you a clearer picture of your business's performance. By setting up these categories, you're essentially laying down the groundwork for detailed financial insights that can help drive better business decisions. Now, let's jump into the step-by-step process. First things first, you'll need to access your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is your gateway to the core settings in QuickBooks. This icon is essential, as it opens up a menu with various settings you may need to adjust from time to time. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking on the gear icon, you will see several options. From here, you'll want to navigate to and select the Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is a fundamental tool within QuickBooks. It lists all the categories you can use to classify your transactions. Think of it as a comprehensive list that organizes your financial records into categories, making it easier to track and manage your finances. Now, let's create a new account category. Look towards the top right of the Chart of Accounts page, and you'll spot a button labeled New Account. Clicking this button will take you to a form where you can create your new account category. This form is where you'll define the specifics of your new category. You'll need to fill in several key details here. Start by entering the account name. The account name should be both descriptive and concise so that it's easily identifiable for anyone using QuickBooks. For instance, if you're creating a category for office supplies, you might name it Office Supplies Expenses. Next, you'll select the account type. Account types are vital because they allow QuickBooks to classify the nature of the account. This could be an asset, liability, income, or expense account. Each type has its own role in the financial ecosystem of your business. Following the account type, you'll choose the detail type. Detail types provide a more specific classification within the account type. This specificity can be incredibly useful when generating precise financial reports, as it gives you a more granular view of your finances. If you think it's necessary, you can also add a description. This additional explanation can clarify what this account is used for, which is particularly helpful if you have multiple users working with your QuickBooks data. It ensures everyone is on the same page regarding the account's purpose. After you've filled in all the necessary information, simply click Save. QuickBooks will then create your new account category, adding it to your Chart of Accounts. With this new category in place, you can now better organize your transactions, making your financial tracking more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully created a new category in QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to manage these categories is a key part of maintaining accurate records and gaining insights into your business's financial health. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to create categories in QuickBooks Online. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.